Hello, in today's video I will show you how to install frida-inject on Android. At first we need to download the frida-inject files. So we'll go to the GitHub page of Frida and we will go to the releases. Here we have all the Frida release, inject. Here we have the frida-inject for Android. Download the compatible one for your system. I'm going for ARM64. Here we have the download completed. Now we will use empty manager for rest of our process. Where the fuck is that? Here we have the downloaded file. We will extract it. Here we have the main file of Frida inject. We will rename it to Frida. Now we will go to root one root directory, then data, local, and temp, and copy it there. And long press, then go to properties and permissions, modify, give all the permissions to it. Now the frida inject is installed on your system, but let's test it like this. Temp. Let's put an example script here on the same directory. I will take this as the demo script. We will try dumping the dex of this. Here the frida is working fully fine, you can see. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video.